If you're comparing OpenAI Whisper and Google Speech to Text, here's what you need to know before choosing one. OpenAI's Whisper is an open source automatic speech recognition or ASR model designed for high accuracy across multiple languages and accents. It's particularly good at transcribing natural, unscripted conversations, even with background noise. Whisper runs locally or through third party APIs, and it's free to use if you have the setup for it. Meanwhile, Google Speech to Text is a cloud based AI model that works right out of the box. It supports over 125 languages, real time transcription, and diarization for multi speaker recognition. However, it's a paid service. Pricing depends on usage, and accuracy can vary depending on accent and audio clarity. There also isn't much found information beyond both platforms' official feature breakdowns. For the final verdict, both are legit AI transcription tools. Whisper is better if you want a free, customizable offline model with strong accuracy. Google Speech to Text is ideal if you need enterprise ready, scalable, and real time transcription with less technical setup.